Hi guys, Andy here. This is the first part of many videos that we're going to create on this website. The reason we're doing this website is because there are so many people out there who have no idea what to do when editing pictures, videos, or any of it, even resizing. I've seen people actually try to send a picture that was 100 megabytes, and you just can't do that. It's just too big. A lot of email programs won't even let you push that much through. Usually they're limited like anywhere from 10 to 20 megabytes. Even when you put them on websites, 100 megabytes, it takes a while to pull that picture up. So this is about actually editing not only your videos but your photos as well. Um, I found a program just out of sheer frustration called Windows Live Movie Maker, and I've always used Movie Maker that was in Windows and it actually came with I believe Windows XP Home version. Right now I'm using uh, Microsoft Windows 7, and the program doesn't come with much. I mean, it's just a basic operating system. It doesn't come with movie makers or video makers or anything. You can burn DVDs through it. You can do a lot of things, but actually have to add a lot of programs to Windows. So I think Microsoft did pretty good coming out with this program. As you can see here, you can see the format here. Now to find this program, just open up your browser, go to Google. See, mine's already defaulted to Google. You're going to type in Live Essentials. It's basically will take you to the same place. You're going to see Windows Live Essentials 2011 free, download free Microsoft programs. You go to that, and then you're going to download now. You're going to save the file. Once it's saved, you're going to double click the file. You're going to go ahead and run it. And you're going to notice you have a lot of options in Essentials 2011. It actually has an email program, photo gallery program, messenger. I'm not sure what the Windows Live Mesh is, but you've got several different options in there. I wouldn't suggest leaving the bar on there, but you can either do a full install or you can do a custom install. I recommend the custom install. That way you can just install what you do use or what you just want. So here we go. Should be coming up. There it is. Okay, so you're going to see install of Windows Live Essentials, or you can choose programs you want to install. So you go in here and choose, and you can just deselect what you don't want. And you can see I already have mine installed, so I'm done. So we're just going to go ahead and exit out of that, and we're going to get out of these programs right here. So now we're to our Windows Live Movie Maker. And what we're going to do is we're going to add, I'm not going to do videos right away. I'm going to show you how to do the videos. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add pictures to start. So we're going to go into pictures, and I'm going to pull some that came from my BlackBerry. These were some cute shots of my daughter. I just thought we'd go ahead and use those. Of course, that's if they'll come over. So actually, you can double click in this big box right here to add videos. At least I thought you could. Prove me wrong. So we're going to add videos and photos. We're going to go in here and we're going to go ahead and add, I think you got that last one. You can hit your control key and click on each one that you want, or you can click on the first one, hold your shift key, and then click on the last one. It'll highlight them all. So you can pull those over, and you can see they're not in the order I want. You have to click out. You can see where these three are highlighted. You have to click out. Just click on one so you can move these around. So we're going to move this one to the beginning. We're going to move this one right here, and you can see that's the expressions. This was on my wife's BlackBerry. She was shooting pictures on my daughter. I thought it was kind of cute. So now we're going to go ahead, and you're going to see here under Home, you have title, caption, and credits. So what we can do is we can go ahead and put a title on this, and we're going to name it Savvy D. That's my daughter's nickname. So now you're going to see these right here. If you'll put your cursor over each one of these, it'll give you a preview of what it's actually doing and how it comes up. It's pretty cool. I like this option in here, because then at least you can see without actually doing it. Now when you're ready and you know which one you want, then you just click on it and it adds it. Now you can go ahead and play it just to kind of see how it does. Now note right here when it goes to that first photo how it skips. It just kind of boom. So what I want to do is I want to go in here to animations, and same way here, you're going to use your cursor over each one to kind of see how it's going to fade in. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to use that one right there. And then you can do that between each one of these photos. I'm going to use that same one. Use that same one again. That's kind of cool. So now what it does is it actually adds them into there. So now what I can do is I can go back and play my movie. And you can preview sections. You don't have to do the whole thing. But I'm just going to preview the whole thing because it's not very long. And you can see how it actually goes through and actually has a nice smooth transition into each picture. It does the same thing with videos. And you have to be kind of careful with videos because you have sound with videos. And sometimes it can overlap and not sound very good. Okay, now that we're to the end there, we're going to go back to home. And you're going to see credits. Maybe I should show you this first. Captions. You can actually put a caption anywhere in this that you want. Say you get right here. We're going to put a caption right there that says hello. So now we have a caption in there, so we can move right here and just kind of show you what the caption does. So the caption pops up there. Now the cool part about the caption is you can move it wherever you want it. So let's move it up here, and then we can even change. You can edit the words and everything up here. So we're going to change the color. Yellow won't work. This will probably just have to do red. So you can add the caption in there. So now you can go back a little bit and you can go ahead and preview going into there. And there's hello. I'm not sure if there's any other options to do that, but that's the caption. You can actually put it anywhere in the photo that you want. Let's go back to it real quick because I want to see if there's any other options we have as far as turning. You can actually make it bigger. Actually, you make the whole thing bigger. You can actually add a lot more in there if you want. I was wondering if it would turn, but it won't. It's just pretty much, you can resize it. So we could go bold if we wanted to. I'm not sure if there's many. You can center it in there. You still have your basic editing tools here. So transparency. Well, that's kind of cool. You can actually make it more transparent. So we're going to leave that full. Okay, so that's what we have there. So now we're going to go to the very end of the video and we're going to add our credits. And we're going to say movie made by Andy. And you're also going to be able to tell that you can do this. So you can actually make it a little bit longer if you want. So when you preview this, you're going to see that it actually pulls it up like this. And you have your options again.